Hello friends, this is Adil. This video is in collaboration with Lenovo. I'm doing an unboxing of Lenovo Legion 7 10th generation Core i7 gaming laptop with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 and 1TB SSD. This model is available in 16GB and 32GB RAMs, but I'm doing an unboxing of 16GB RAMs gaming laptop and its Jareed bookstore price is 7649 Saudi Riyal. So let's go explore. Here is the Jareed bookstore website and you can place an order on the website and also you can visit their store. So let's jump into what's inside the box. The Lenovo Legion 7 has a grey anodized aluminum exterior with customizable RGB LED effects. The 2.1 kg laptop features a 1080p anti-glare display and supports Dolby Vision for HDR gaming. Legion 7 offers the power of 10th generation Core i7 10875H with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060, 6GB graphics power and 15.6 display size with Full HD IPS AG 500N display type. It has a 2.3 GHz processing speed with 16GB of RAM with 1TB SSD, which is an extra punch for gamers and video creators. It has a display resolution of 1920 x 1080 Full HD with 720p webcam and also has Dolby Atmos sound system speakers. Its sound quality is like a mini stereo system and it has Legion True Strike keyboard, Legion Cold Front thermal engineering, and I'm loving Corsair IQ RGB lighting feature. The most impressive part of Lenovo Legion 7 that not only keyboard has RGB LED effects but also everywhere RGB LED effects are lighting up, which is giving a double boost to keep using it for longer periods, especially for gamers. On the left side we have two USB Type-C port and an audio jack. On the right side we have one USB port with mic speaker. On the back side of the laptop we have two USB ports, one HDMI and power connector. I love its build quality and it looks pretty solid to me. Love its slate grey color which looks magnificent. Lenovo Legion 7 gaming laptop has the processing and graphics power of a beast. Why I'm saying this? Because in my upcoming videos I'm talking about a gaming result video editing, HDR feature and much more. It's a game changer power laptop for gamers and it's available in Jareer bookstore. Don't forget its price is 7649 Saudi Riyal. Also you can find the website link down below in the video description. If you're interested in product reviews, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.